Hello all, welcome to Sql Query. Today we can check the derived tables in the SQL. So we have two tables, customer and order table. Customer table contains customer ID name, address and email. Order table contains order ID. Customer ID is the foreign key, order date and order amount. Okay. So we want to write a simple derived table. Okay. So how to do that? We can check. So first we can check with customer. Okay. So here select the star from customer. Okay. Just execute. So this is the customer table data. Okay. We want to get a derived table. Okay. So here we can use select the star from, and we are opening one brace and we are ending a closing brace. Okay. We can just execute this, then it will not work. Okay. So in this data we want to give an alias name. We can just place an alias name. Okay. So now we will execute this. Now we are getting the data. That is customer ID. That customer details data we are getting. Okay. So this is known as derived tables because in this opening brace and this closing brace, this table, this selectively working as just like a table. Okay. So this is a simple derived table. Okay. Here we want to check the customer ID. We can give customer ID equal to 2. We can just execute this. Now we are getting the output. Okay. Next, we want to write a derived table with multiple tables. Okay. So we have two tables, customer and order table. Okay. So we want to write a query to get the customer details with the order details. Okay. And we can check. Select star from customer. Okay. Then we can give an alias name C. We want to join this with order state. On both the table has customer ID, right? So we can join with C dot customer ID is equal to O dot customer ID. Okay. Now we will execute this query. We are getting 4 records. Okay. We are getting all order details with the customer details, right? So we want to extract this output. We want to get a customer ID name and email and order ID and order amount. Okay. First we can check with we want to retrieve all data. Okay. So we can select star from. We can open a brace and we can close that brace. Okay. And here we are given an alias name. A, B, anything we can do. just try to be. Okay, we can just execute. Now it is not working. Okay, what is there? The column customer ID was specified multiple times for B. Okay, we can just check this in the query. Here you can see customer ID is there, and in the order table also customer ID is there. Okay, but we are passing these to output the outer table, then it will conflict. Okay, so we want to return the necessary data only. Okay, so here we can use c.customer ID, and we want to get email, and we want to get address, and we want to get email. Okay, now we want order ID. Order ID means that is O dot order ID, and order amount also. Okay, we don't want the customer ID. Okay, order amount. Yeah. Otherwise, order date also. Okay, O dot order date, comma O dot order amount. Okay, now we can just execute this query. Now we are getting output. Okay, here also we want to filter our in data. We can use workflows. Okay, please check that. Okay, otherwise we want to get only necessary data columns only. So here we can use customer ID, comma order ID, order amount. This also possible. Okay, now we are getting the necessary columns. Okay, next, derived table with joins. Okay, we can just create a simple derived table, custom. Okay, now we want to join this table data to our order table. Okay, so this is a table, right? Open this place and closing this place. This is treated as a one table. Okay, so here we can use join orders on a dot customer IDs. Okay, o dot customer. Now we can just execute this. Okay, now we are getting the output. Okay, now we are getting this is joined with orders also. Okay, so the inner query is just a customer only. Okay, we will execute this only. Now we are getting customer details, but this table joined with order table. Okay, now we are getting the output. You can see customer ID, order type. Okay, so this way we can use joins also derived tables. Okay, next we want to we can use derived with group by and filter. We can use the filter conditions. Okay, we want to write a query to find which customer has orders more than 2. Okay, so here we can see customer ID 2 has 3 order, customer ID 1 has 1 order. Okay, so we want to write a query to find which customer has orders more than 2. Okay, so here we have to just select just start from customer. C, we can join the order table. Orders or on C dot customer ID is equal to O dot customer ID. Okay. Now we want to get the customer ID. C dot customer ID and C dot name, and after that we want the number of counts for the orders. Okay, so customer ID 2 has 3 orders in the order table, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we want to count of customer ID. That is O dot customer ID. Okay, so we are using this count, then we want to group by, right? Here we can use group by. This one, customer ID. Okay, we'll only group by customer ID, then it will not. Okay. So here name is also. So we want to group by customer ID and name. Just execute this query. Now we are getting the output. Okay, we want an alias name as count. Just execute this. Now we are getting the output. Okay, here we can directly given filter condition, we can use having or something. Okay, so we can use through derived. Okay, just we can check, select start from UP. Okay, then we can just execute this query. Now we are getting the output. We want to get only and which customer has orders more than 2. Okay, so here we can do condition whether CM2 greater than 2. Okay, now we are getting the output through the output. Okay, thank you.